Hey there, I want to share a couple updates to the Carrot form block, a few improvements, and making the way for some future improvements that we're going to make. So, one of the first things I want to highlight is that the existing form block still works great. You're welcome to leave it on your site. You don't need to change anything. But the new form block is where we're going to be adding improvements, and there's a few things that we've added already there. So this is an existing form block. This is what you're likely to see on your site if you come into it, and you can notice that it's an older one because it has this little legacy icon up in the top here. Again, nothing wrong with this block. You can still use it and change it and everything as you want to. But we have added some new options to a new form block, which will be the default if you're adding any new form blocks to your pages. And so you're going to add it just from the inserter like you normally would. Look for forms, click on that. And then you'll notice that this looks a little bit different than what you previously saw. The main difference being that you have the option to go into the form editor and create a new form directly from here. Otherwise, you can choose an existing form just like you could before. So we're going to go ahead and choose the same form. So you can see that the standard styles here are going to be the same by default. And so what we've added are a couple of new options for you. The first is that you can now set button sizes for your form buttons right within the block here. You were previously able to do this on the hero block up above, but the forms are treated a little bit differently there, and so you were not able to do that within the form block within a page. So you can do that now with this button size control. Secondly, we've added a new style and may add more over time. Right now, the default style is as you would normally see within your site design, but then if you click on minimal, you'll notice that you get like a more stripped down view, and that might work better for what you're going for with your overall site aesthetic. And that should be available on whatever design that you choose. One additional note is that if you wanted to swap out your old form block with a new form block, you can totally do that. You can just remove the block and then re-add it. You will not lose any of your data by doing so. The forms exist somewhere else. This is just basically showing you like that the user interface for that form where your users are going to click into it and add their information. So that's a quick overview. As always, hit us up if you have any questions. Thanks.